Hi, I'm Priyanka, and in this video, I'll be showing you another tutorial on resin coasters. I love resin, but I don't get to use it enough, so I'm excited to give coasters another go. For this project, you'll need resin and hardener, a silicone mold of your choice, colors such as mica powder or paint, add-ins like glitter, something to mix your resin in, including a stirrer, and optional a blowtorch or a lighter. So, to begin, pour 1 part resin and 1 part hardener into a silicone or disposable container. Resin and hardener should come in a pack together, and once those are in whatever container you have, you want to generously stir the two solutions together. I added in my colored powder and glitter before I began stirring, but it doesn't really matter if you want to add it first and stir, or vice versa and do what I do. Keep stirring for about 1 minute or 2 and then go ahead and slowly pour your first color solution into your mold. Resin flows on its own, so feel free to go as slow as you need to. The slower you pour, the thinner the line is. I went ahead and took a kitchen blowtorch to remove any bubbles that may have formed in the solution and continued on with my next color. Once that first solution is in, do the same for any remaining colors you'd like to use. Remember to use a 1-to-1 ratio for the resin and hardener. Once I had the majority of my resin in, I added some gold flakes to add a splash of pop. I didn't like the way the resin was flowing, so I took a small spoon and swirled all the colors together to make it look more like space. I lost the gold flakes in the middle of the mix, so then I went ahead and added some more. Once that was done, I let the resin coasters sit on my counter to cure for about 24 hours before demolding them. After I took them out of the mold, I let them sit out for another few hours before testing them out. These are super easy and fun to make, and they make an excellent gift for anyone. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. I know I've been absent from making videos, but I will be back with more DIY and crafty videos here soon. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to click that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you did like this video. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and take care everyone. Bye!